Today's Tips du Jour mailbag question comes to us from Arizona. Robert, I have small hands and find it difficult to reach inside the guitar to do repair work when fixing cracks deep inside the instrument. Do you have a tip for this? Jesus in Arizona. Jesus, small hands can be an advantage getting inside that sound hole, but like you said, sometimes that long reach down inside the instrument can be a problem. And yes, I do have a tip for that. Let me show you. So Jesus, what I'm going to use is just this pair of, I call them tweezers, but basically it's just a piece of wood that I've cut a slit in. It opens up on this end and it allows me to come in and place a magnet on the back side of a cleat and just put it in there like so. And then I will reach inside the instrument, place it back up in there about where I think it's going to be, get it in there close to that crack, and then come in on this side. There's my crack right there. I've got this thing way down in the back. I'm already hitting the back rim down here. And then I come in with a magnet on the top side. Place it right where I want it. And then that is stuck in there. So I then pull the tweezers that I've made off of the magnet because the magnet is stronger than the tweezers. And now I have strategically placed that cleat right over the crack way down there in the lower bout. There you go. That's how you do it. So Jesus in Arizona, thank you very much for your question. And not to make light of your name, but I remember in a former life I was working on a landscaping crew, and we had a gentleman there named Jesus on our crew. And about that time, some religious people were coming down the street, and they dropped in. They said, we just want to let you know that Jesus loves you. I said, well, that's good. And I looked right over at Jesus. I said, Jesus, do you love me? He didn't even think twice. He said, nope. Happy building.